There are times where you have water in your basement, but you don't necessarily know as a homeowner where it's coming from. And from our perspective, it's a very common problem. It's where the wall meets the floor in the basement. That's called a cold joint. That's the union of typically 3 different poured structural elements in a house. You have the foundation footing that's poured first. You have the walls that are poured and the slab of your basement floor that all meet right there in the border of the wall and the floor itself. Over time, when you have seasonal changes and there's presence of water, say in the spring and in the winter, and the absence of water in the fall and the summer, that soil will contract, expand, and move, and that movement creates gaps in that cold joint and allows water to come in. So it's cold joint penetration where the wall meets the floor. There are solutions for that at KC Pier, and our solutions are solutions that last a lifetime. We have 2 of them that are very, very popular. One is an interior drain system, and that's a drain system that's cut on the inside of the wall. We put drain tube in that drainage ditch, essentially, that we're cutting inside the wall, and we grade that tubing over to a sump pump, and the sump pump will then manage the water to get it away from the house. It's a water management technique. In more serious problems where the wall has moved in and deflected, in addition to the waterproofing, we have an exterior waterproofing product that we can actually adhere to the outside of the wall. The outside of the wall has to be excavated in those conditions, which can be rather pricey, but both of those solutions are lifetime products at KC Pier. Water in basements are it's very common. If you don't see a crack in your wall where the water's coming through, many times it's probably cold joint water, which is that area where the wall meets the floor. Either way, it can be solved, and we have solutions for it here at KC Pier that'll last a lifetime.